Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a hidden trap that holds millions of people back, your comfort zone. This story is not about taking extreme risks. This story is about your daily habits. It is about your fear. It is about your growth. It is about how a quiet, easy life can slowly destroy your biggest dreams. Many people spend their days looking for safety. They stay in easy jobs. They avoid difficult conversations. They hide from new challenges. They think they are protecting themselves. But true danger begins when you realize that feeling completely safe every day is actually keeping you trapped. Your comfort zone is like a warm, soft bed on a freezing cold morning. It feels wonderful to stay under the covers. But if you never get up, your day never starts. Your life never moves forward. Staying in your comfort zone means choosing slow decay over real progress. When you refuse to leave your routine, your world shrinks. Your confidence dies. Your fear of the unknown grows larger every single year. You face a simple choice. Accept the quiet pain of staying the same, or face the temporary friction of stepped-up growth. Discomfort is not your enemy. Discomfort is the exact price you pay for a better future. While watching this video, you can practice your English listening with me. Listen slowly. Feel the meaning of the words. Repeat these key life-changing words with me: comfort, routine, boundary, challenge, resistance, growth, courage, expansion, friction, and freedom. If this story helps you build confidence and learn English, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more lessons. The warm prison of safety. Every human mind seeks safety. When you stick to familiar paths, your brain spends very little energy. You do not have to worry about looking foolish. You do not face unexpected failure. It feels quiet. It feels peaceful. But over time, that peaceful safety becomes an invisible cage. Think about speaking English in public. If you stay quiet, you stay safe from making mistakes. No one laughs. No one corrects you. Your comfort zone remains unbroken. But what did that safety cost you? It cost you a new friend. It cost you a career opportunity. It cost you your confidence. When you always choose the easy path, easy things become hard, and hard things become impossible. Safety is pleasant for a night, but as a permanent house, it becomes a prison. Pain as a signal of growth. Many people believe that feeling nervous means they are doing something wrong. When their heart beats fast before a presentation or a job interview, they say, "I am afraid, so I should stop." This is a major misunderstanding of how human growth works. Imagine a person lifting weights at the gym. When muscle fibers stretch and feel sore, the person does not panic. They know that mild soreness is the exact signal that the muscle is getting stronger. Anxiety and nervousness during a new challenge are simply your mental muscles expanding. When you feel nervous before trying something new, do not run away. Smile and say to yourself, "This feeling is my comfort zone stretching." Reframe your discomfort. It is not a warning sign to retreat. It is proof that you are growing. The 1% micro-step method. You do not need to leap off a cliff to break out of your comfort zone. Many people fail because they try to change their entire life in one single day. They get overwhelmed, feel intense fear, and run right back to their old habits. The secret to lasting change is small, deliberate micro-steps. If you are afraid of speaking English, do not force yourself to give a 30-minute speech today. Instead, read one English sentence out loud in front of a mirror. Tomorrow, Order a coffee in English. The day after, ask a simple question in a group chat. Imagine a small seed planted beneath heavy soil. The seed does not smash through the earth instantly. It pushes upward just 1 millimeter every day until it breaks into the sunlight. Do not demand massive jumps. Expand your boundaries by 1% every day. Your potential lies completely outside the tiny circle you live in today. Stop waiting for the fear to disappear before taking action. Fear will always be there when you try something new. Take the fear with you and take the step anyway. Look at your life today. Identify one small area where you have been staying safe out of fear. Step past that line today. Choose the small friction that leads to real freedom. Thank you for listening today. Keep practicing your English, keep expanding your world, and I will see you in the next lesson.